Hello and welcome to the Lightware stand at ISE 2025. My name's Brzostowski from the UK team. Today what we're here to show is our new Rack Mountable Taurus 4x3 device. Now with the Taurus 4x3 Rack Mountable solution, we've found that a lot of people have been implementing these within a rack, and previously with connections on the front and the back, whilst it's great for under desk solutions, it meant that rack mountable solutions were a little bit more messier. So we've developed this product. It's a wider solution, as you can probably sort of see from the model next to me here. We still have the same inputs, outputs, so we have two USB-C inputs, we have two HDMI and USB-B inputs, and we've got the two HDMI local outputs, as well as the TPX output, which can be sent to either our standard receiver or to our 3x3 receiver of the Taurus family. We also have 3 ports of Ethernet, so we can have them. The first port is a PoE device that can power a tablet as well. And also another change on the device is that we now have an internal power supply, saving the previous model, power beneath the desks. And that is Lightware 2025. Please feel free to contact us either on the website, or if you're still at the ISE show, please come by, stand 3C800.